RXPAD comes in this more triangular shaped box. Show it from the top so that you can see it. Pretty self-explanatory. This one is kind of funky in the way that it opens, but there are flaps, as you can see here on the bottom, that I'll remove. And then these two flaps will come up. Inside, of course, now we have our RXPAD. So I'll turn this sideways so that you can see. I simply pull out this cardboard insert, and then here's the RXPAD. Now to the side here, you'll notice that we also have some additional items. There's a optional power supply that's included, as well as an Ethernet cable that's included with each of these. Typically though, what you're going to see is once you pull this out, I'll go ahead and take it out of the protective sleeve here so that you can see. Bear with me. You'll see that the device has a plastic coating on it. Of course, this can be removed as part of the installation. And then on the bottom of the unit, you'll notice that we have this panel here on the RXPAD. Now, standard way of installing this is, as you can see here, there's an Ethernet port. This is PoE capable, so if I put this on a wired connection, which is always recommended for Teams meeting rooms, and that's a PoE connection, it will also provide power for the device. If, however, I don't have a PoE cable, or I want to go the Wi-Fi option as opposed to wired internet, I'll need to put DC power into this appliance. So the way that I would do that is actually remove these two Phillips screws here. This plate then comes off, and that's where you'll see the port for the power supply. But that's the RXPAD.